It has been reported that large chunks of metal from United Flight 328 has rained down over northwest of Denver from a result of engine problems. The flight was heading towards Honolulu. The pilot turned back and landed the plane safely. There was 231 passengers and 10 crew members on the Boeing 777-200 flight with no injuries. The National Transportation Safety Board are currently investigating the situation. Passengers on this flight were already saying goodbye to their loved ones as they got wind of what was happening. The debris of the plane engine fell off and narrowly missed a home where it landed in Colorado. Other parts of the plane have scattered across many neighborhoods in Colorado. Once back on the ground, firefighters have sprayed foam on the engine as passengers begin to disembark. United immediately scheduled another flight for its passengers to get back to their homes safely.